Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best mini fridge for bedroom is Kaluli Skin Care Mini Fridge. If a regular mini fridge is more than you need, consider the ultra-portable Kaluli fridge. This 4-liter fridge can hold 6 12-ounce cans or a small meal that needs to be kept cool or warm during your commute. If you need to save space, the inner shelf can be removed. The Kaluli mini fridge is small enough to fit on a desk, and the top handle makes transporting the appliance even easier. It has a lovely matte finish on the outside and comes in a variety of colors and patterns. The portable refrigerator is ideal for storing food, beverages, snacks, skincare products, and medications. It has a thermoelectric system that allows for simple transitions from beverage cooler to food warmer. There is an AC, DC, and USB cord included, which can also be plugged into a car socket. The unique semiconductor operation is energy efficient, ultra-quiet, and 100% environmentally friendly. Number 2 in our side is Gallon's GLR33 Compact Refrigerator. The Gallon's Retro Compact Refrigerator is a good option, with a spacious interior, 3 levels of storage and plenty of door storage. While this mini fridge lacks a freezer, it does include a small chiller compartment for freezing a compact ice cube tray. It is also available in red, black, and green. Retro Compact Refrigerator uses our 600A high efficiency and low energy consumption compressor. It can cool food quickly with lower energy. Leveling legs can adjust feed and keep level placement anywhere. Glass shelves can separate your different types of food. A removable slide-out glass shelf provides more ways to organize your storage needs. Gallon's refrigerator can be controlled manually with a control dial from cool to cold to coldest. You can turn the knob to set the temperature you want. This space-saving refrigerator stores food, soda, beer, and other beverages with minimal energy and without taking up too much space. Third in our best mini fridge for bedroom list is Home Labs Mini Beverage Refrigerator. The Home Labs Beverage Refrigerator and Cooler is a stylish mini fridge with a generous 3.2 cubic feet capacity, making it ideal for a den or game room. It has a glass door with a stainless steel frame and soft LED lighting. The beverage fridge has a user-friendly LED digital display, adjustable temperature control, and an auto defrost function and can hold 120 cans bottles. The refrigerator lacks a freezer compartment and is only intended for cooling purposes. It does, however, have a powerful compressor and a convection fan that circulates air and chills beverages in a consistent and uniform manner. Single-zone beverage mini refrigerator has an easy-touch temperature control that cools down to 34 degrees Fahrenheit, and large digital display for quick monitoring and setting of any temperature. Its memory function automatically restores the preset temperature of the cooler in case it becomes unplugged, or in the event of a power outage. Perfect for an office, dorm, apartment, RV, restaurant, home kitchen and more. Our fourth pick is Gallon's GLR31 Beer Compact Refrigerator. The Gallons Retro Mini Fridge is made entirely of metal and has a capacity of 2 cubic feet in the fridge and 0.95 cubic feet in the freezer. The chic refrigerator also includes an adjustable thermostat, bright interior lighting, and a large vegetable crisper. Inside, there are removable glass shelves and enough space in the door to store a 2-liter soda bottle. Despite its vintage appearance, this mini fridge is equipped with a high-efficiency, low-energy compressor. It comes in a variety of colors to match your decor and is a fun and stylish addition to any kitchen, shed, or home office. Gallons refrigerator can be controlled manually with a control dial from cool to cold to coldest. You can turn the knob to set the temperature you want. Storage double door design. Freezer compartment can be used for storing frozen foods or making ice cubes. The door offers a spot for your favorite canned beverages. Let's watch more. Last in this list is Arctic King Door Mini Fridge. The Arctic King has a capacity of 3.2 cubic feet and a separate freezer compartment with its own door. The 2-door refrigerator is compact enough to fit in small spaces while still holding full-size drinks and keeping frozen goods solid. Because this refrigerator has a separate door for the freezer, it is much more energy efficient. 2 glass shelves and a full crisper drawer are included in the fridge compartment. If you need a second refrigerator but don't want to invest in another full-size model, this is an excellent option.